Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Coming through from London town, UK, and we're here with another video on fantastic digital products. This time we're looking at 5 amazing Easter niche digital product ideas that you need to do right now. Now, I'm months away from Easter, but you know what? That's when you need to start. If you want to start getting the algorithm to favor you, and as people start looking for it and searching for it, you want to be one of the first ones out there ready to go. Get your Easter listings out there. Don't worry about it being too early. It's never too early, guys. And guys, let me know where you're from in the comments below. I love to say hi to everybody from around the world. I just absolutely love it, right? So please don't forget, drop it in the comments and I will get back to you. Check it. Look at this. We're looking at Easter doodles, guys. Doodle sells, guys. Right? Check it out. Look at these. These is the simplest thing ever, right? These are doodle style letters, right? And people love this, right? Because it's so versatile. Now, what they've done is they've just added some other bits to it, like eggs, bunny ears, you know, the usual kind of thing, bunny paw print, that kind of thing, right? That's what they made it into, the Easter style, literally. Okay, you might be thinking, what's this? This is the simplest thing ever. Nice little video animation telling you what you're gonna get. Boom. I'm just showing you the files, really. Okay, simple, right? Simple, upper, lowercase, and numbers. 32 set doodle letters. Boom. Now, how much does this actually make? You might be thinking, like, what's this? Making $5 or something a month? No, this ain't making $5 a month. This is making $2,046 per month. An absolute banger, right? Check it. Now, I know it's got a sale on it, so you got to take that into account. But why is it popular? Look, 82 sales a month, guys. Boom, it's ready. Check it. Let me tell you why. Because they are hitting on some keywords. Anybody that knows something to do with how the algorithm works with SEO keywords knows why they're doing this. Check it. They're hitting on some big hitters. And if you're not doing this, you're missing a trick, guys. Right, look at this. Easter letters. Boom. Keyword score 50. 720 volume, right? There's a bit of competition there, but you can still get into that one. Now, what it is, this is all about combining, right? They've got a lot of good keywords. Look, doodle numbers PNG, boom, 80, 227. Doodle alphabet PNG, 393. So what they're doing is they are combining Easter letters. Like I said, they've got some good ideas because they are actually combining some of these really good keywords, right, where they're able to get eyes on their listing. Simple as that, right? You can see them all here. Look at them. There you go. Easter doodle letters, alphabet bundle, Easter alphabet letters, right? And this is how you start getting seen. Because look, if we look at that again just very quickly, that's what they're doing. They're touching on all these keywords, and that's how they're getting ranked. And so they're doing very well. So if you're not doing, if you're not getting those, checking and making sure that you're getting into those unsaturated areas, those keywords, then you're missing a trick. And what's really nice about this is it's very versatile. I'll tell you why people like this kind of doodle clip art, especially if you remember, I did a Halloween one video where it's so popular. Christmas one, so popular. Easter now, popular. Because you know why? It's versatile. Right, people love it. People can put it on patterns. This is a tote bag. People can put it on t-shirts. People can put it on all sorts of things, and it looks really, really cool. So, these doodle letters, and look, I mean, the shop itself, the store itself, has got quite a few doodle styles. Look, they've got Halloween, Christmas. I can understand it, and I bet they're also quite popular. So it makes a lot of sense. So the doodle alphabet, the PNGs, these are really cool because they're so versatile. So I think it's definitely something to consider and something possibly to get into. I definitely do think it. I just want to highlight very quickly, go into the store, just see what's going on, because I do know they do a lot of doodles as well. Yep. Okay, so they do quite a bit of these doodles packs. Yeah. Yeah. And they're very simple, like, very quite simple to make. Not hard. I might do a video on it actually, but they got a lot of different ones here, which is good, right? So great idea. Now let's go to the next one. You got these bunny tumblers. I told you this video is about doing a few digital products niches. I'm going to show you in the Easter overall, the Easter sort of niche, niche. But check it. These Easter ones, tumblers, man. I mean, look, then they're quite nice. They're quite cool. You know, what else? 9 free beautiful tumbler designs, and actually they're giving you free tumbler designs, and not to do with the Easter. They're just other ideas like sunflower designs, the leopard print that people like. Actually, they're giving you some popular ideas that people do search for anyway in terms of tumblers, which is nice. How much is this making? Let's have a look. 20 ounce tumblers, very popular as well. Let's have a look. $130. Not amazing, not fantastic, but I'm sure if you find a good angle, because look, Christmas ones can sell really well. There's no reason why Easter can't do well. You know, you do something where stained glass may be something that people look for, 3D tumbler style people look for. So if you can combine something where people are actually looking for a certain style within the tumbler designs, and then add the Easter element, so it could be a 3D bunny design, for example, a 3D Easter egg. Imagine those 3D Easter eggs, or those inflatable puffy sort of tumbler styles. So what you have to do is you have to go with sort of a style that is popular also. Style combined with Easter, and then combine it with another element, right? And what I mean by another element could be sunflowers, could be bunnies with sunflowers. People like sunflowers. Could be bunnies with leopard print. So get eyes on your product, because what you're doing is then you're going to be ranking for different things, inflatable tumbler or 3D tumbler, and that will be added in your title, and then and it kind of adds those ingredients, guys, that the algorithms start favoring you and lifting you up to the first page. Hopefully that's what you need to do. Combine, bring things into it. Now the next third idea I want to go to is these bunnies digital paper. Look, Easter bunnies paper, pastel's quite popular. Eggs, children, scrapbook's a good word to use. Pattern, don't know if that's spelled correctly. That's not, don't know. Yeah, so it's about these, you know, these digital paper Easter bunny patterns. Yeah, eggs is cool, right? Interesting. Got carrots, eggs and more eggs, and let's see what's going on with this one, with this pack. It's a pack of how many? What is this? $167. Ain't too shabby, you know. It's a one little listing. It has a sale on it too. You know, I think there's also room to work on this in this area, in this digital paper area. Like I would probably add a bundle to it, like a bigger bundle, kind of combine it. This one's good because it's seamless. It's a seamless idea, which is people like. But there is a way to get into this as well, to get a bit more. I mean, look, if you think about this, I mean, even this one listing, if you're doing like 4 or 5 listings, it's not too bad, guys, right? You could be making like up to $1,000 if you got a few different listings with few different bundles, few different combinations, and then you hit on those keywords as well. So it can actually work quite well, you know, if you focus on those elements. Anyways, let's go to the next thing. Check this out. Look at these, man. These personalized Easter egg, right? What is this though? They're egg holders, right? They're egg holders. So I don't think it's about the Kinder, because they're just holding those. Okay, it can be anything. Yeah, they're just egg holders for anything. So you're just getting the design itself, right? The wooden. You're getting the wooden holder, the wooden decoration holder. Basically, that's what you're getting. Okay, you're getting the wooden holder, and that's what you're getting. Now, the reason why I showed you this is, now this is a physical item, right? They give this as a physical item, these wooden cutouts. It looks like they've been laser cut. They're making $551 per month, right? It's a good little gift, Easter gift. People probably, actually, I can imagine people wanting to get these, right? But check this out, right? you don't have to sell a physical item. There's a slightly different thinking now. You got to take your, like, look at lateral thinking, think outside the box kind of time. So check it out, guys. Look, I would, you've got to know that laser cut, you know, laser cut files, which is something that people search for massively, is basically like a software file which is created. So you can actually create a file which makes anything. Look at the apple there. Look at there's a bone there. See, look, it's a digital download. This is just literally a digital download. You can see of the file. So the file will be like, these are the file types, and literally that's what you get. You get a digital file that is sent to you, and that's it. And so what it is you do this with there's many products. Look at this candle holder, right? Again, let's have a look. You get SVG, you get a laser cut file. Okay, again, laser cut file. So these files, I mean, you may think, okay, well, how am I going to do a laser bunny? How am I going to make that? I don't even know how to design it. Well, what you do is, like I said, I've said it before, you jump onto something like Freelancer, Upwork, or Fiverr, and you actually go and check out a freelancer that actually does this. Now you type in laser cut file, for example, on Fiverr, and look, if I just show you, look, here's a guy that actually does that. That's his job. Where is it? Oops, sorry. That's his job. Look, and that's what he does. He does actually laser cut files of any product, like you see here, and you can charge, you know, they'll charge $5, $6, $7 for that service. And then what you do is you get the file, the digital file, and you can upload it on Etsy, and you can sell it as a service. You can sell it as like a digital product, which you would sell, right? And that's what you would do. So these bunnies, you wouldn't sell the physical product. You could sell the actual file on Etsy, because if there's a demand for the physical, you're most likely going to be a demand for the digital as well. It's basically worth a go, 100%. Especially when you just get the digital file that you paid for $5, $6, and literally it's just going to be passive after that. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you guys, right, which is also, look, quite big. One thing that people look for is bunnies, crochet bunnies, right? Look at these. See these bunnies? During Easter time, a lot of these are sold, right? They get very popular, these bunnies. Now I'll just show you one example of one listing. There's a listing. This is a pattern. So this is a listing for a bunny and a teddy for a pattern. It's not the actual bunny. This is what I'm trying to say. You can sell a digital pattern, which can also be created and sold. And this is what I'm trying to say. You don't need to actually, this is a bestseller. You know, this is all you need to do, guys. This is what I'm trying to say. So you don't have to create the bunny itself. You just get a pattern created for you. You know, these things make so much money. You know, even things like the embroidered style bunnies, the crochet bunnies. But like I said, this is a slightly different angle where you're not selling the physical item, you're selling just the pattern. And like I said, these patterns, man, they go for I've shown you, if you see my crochet video, check out my crochet video, please, on patterns. They make a crazy amount of money. And again, you'd go to somewhere on Fiverr and you might ask for somebody who does crochet pattern designs. You know, they would literally make it for you, and they would actually send you the picture of the product. Look at this. I will crochet pattern for amigurumi, and they do all sorts. Look at these. These are all crochet patterns that people actually make. They'll make it for you. Look at this. It's for £17. So that's, what's that, $20? They'll make it for you, and they'll send you the picture of the made version, and they'll send you also the file, which you can put and upload on Etsy. And this is what I'm trying to say. It's about thinking outside the box, guys. When you're doing something, especially in a niche, you got to do your best to think outside the box. And I think this is a fantastic idea. You know, look, if you just type in crochet, just so you know what I'm talking about, crochet pattern, right? Let me just show you something real quick. So guys, like I said, crochet patterns are massively popular, guys, and these patterns make so much money, guys, across a lot of niches. So definitely something to consider. Check out my video on crochet patterns. It shows you exactly that amazing potential. It is a higher skill level, definitely, for sure, and most people may not be able to do it. Some people that have the skill, they'll be able to do it themselves. If not, like I said, go to somewhere like Upwork, Fiverr, get somebody to actually create it and actually give you the images of the product so that you can actually put it on your listing and send you that digital file so you can actually upload it. Make sure it validate that it does work and it does create the product that you're showing, just to make sure. But apart from that, once you do that, guys, you'll see that crochet patterns actually are fantastic sellers. And I believe in the sort of Easter niche, crochet bunny niche, if you like, it's a massive it would be a massive seller. Okay, see, look, these are just crochet bunny patterns, a lot of these, and they do sell pretty well, guys. So yeah, hope you like that video. Hope you like a little sort of angle slant on slightly different digital products that you could consider for Easter. Now, don't forget, check out my Halloween, Christmas, and all my other videos that I go through with all the seasons and those holidays, with some fantastic ideas. And if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget, check out videos next, and don't forget, check out all the links in my description. Take care. See you on the next one.